Hello, this is Ken Button, and this is the fourth part of a multi-part series. This one on the web server to a website processes, screencasting, showing the entire creation of the web server all the way through to the loading of the website and the website files, creating of the database, all the way to actually executing the build of the website. But for now, we're going to install MySQL, optimize it for the Linode, and we're going to create a database. Now, I've already done all this stuff already, so it's not going to be quite the same as before, but I'm going to go through all the motions just as if I haven't already installed it. So without further ado, let's start terminal so that we can log into the server remotely using the SSH username at IP address login. Okay, now that we're in, we're going to sudo apt get install MySQL server. Now I've already installed it, as I've said before, but like I said, I was going to go ahead and go through it all. Basically what you'll have to do there that you didn't see on my screen was the fact that you'll have to create a root password for MySQL. Fear not, it is through SSH secure tunnel, so nobody can see it or read it. Nobody can come in there and be eavesdropping. The other thing that you'll do is you'll do the sudo MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. No, I don't want to change the root password. Remove the anonymous user, yes. Disallow root login remotely. Eventually I'm going to say yes, but not quite now. So I can always come back into this later. Remove test database and access to it, yes. And reload the privilege tables right now, yes. There you have it. We've done the secure installation of the MySQL database. Now it's time to optimize it. As you can see here, we'll do so by editing the etc file MySQL c or myc.cnf. Okay, as you can see here, what we want are these values in red here. So we'll come over here to the, let's go ahead and make this bigger. It's easier to find stuff that way. Okay, now the key buffer is the first thing we're looking for, and we see here it's supposed to be 16K. It is. The max allowed packets are at 1M. The thread stack is at 64K. Okay. The table cache down here is at 4, and the sort buffer. Didn't see that one the last time I did this, so I wanted to come back in here again and ensure that I got it correct. Max allowed packet 16M. Key buffer 16K. Now the net buffer length and the may not be provided in this recent update here, because I'm not seeing them. Now you notice this table cache, this 4 here, is commented out. So let's see if there's another table cache somewhere here that's not commented out. No, I can't find anything else on it, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete that little comment right there. That way it executes table cache of 4. And net buffer length and sort buffer are nowhere to be found. If not using the Linode database tables, disable support. Basically, as you look through the file here, you'll see that this is commented out. They are commented out. Okay, so now we want to hit Control O, Enter, Control X to go back to terminal, and at this point we're ready to create the database. So we'll want to, make this a little easier to read for you, MySQL u root, and this is why I didn't want to disallow root login, because at this point you still want to create users, and then we simply create database can button, and you'll notice the database already exists. So let's go ahead and create another database. Database button block with a little closing bracket or closing semicolon, and then we want to grant all on button block to button block. We'll call button block the user, identified by my pass. Hit enter, flush the privileges here, and then quit, and then we'll see you back here for part 5 on the installation of the PHP, marrying it with MySQL data.